Hello. Puss is just enjoying the loud noises. Well, I'm not sure if she's enjoying it, but she doesn't really care, which is, it's kind of weird. She reacts on very small noises. Anyhow, I added the regular tweeter, so I often just put on something to see what it does. Last time I had the curved ones. Can be fun. I still like these flatter ones somehow. Efficiency is also way higher. They had some padding for the baffle, and since I put the mics kind of in between, not completely on axis, I added a little bit above 15K, which probably does not matter much if you record something. I'm just gonna play one tune because I like the Terminator 2 soundtrack, Terminator 1 as well. And yeah, I found some weird recording with the composer itself in it, and some insane drummer. It's really an insane drummer that does the, I believe it's the, it says ending something something. I don't know if it's Terminator 1. It sounds a lot to me like the chase from Terminator 2, although the naming is something different, so I don't know. Might need to look that up. I can't imagine they would fuck up the naming. Is correct? I think so. So let's give it a try. So I have to start in the middle of the concert because the tunes are weaved in each other. So the beginning might be weird and the ending might be weird as well. Well, anyhow, if you want to have it in good quality, just watch the video. Links in the description. Yeah, I ordered from AliExpress some cores, toroid cores. I'm not too sure if this is ferrite or powdered steel. I hope it should be powdered steel. This is with the eye on maybe going with a pure ribbon, which I think pure ribbon or just a ribbon. The top end is a little bit nicer than these, I think. But these are crossed at 12 dB per octave at 310 Hertz. You could not do that with a ribbon this high. It must be way higher to do that. So it has its pros and cons. Maybe I can achieve better top end on these when I play with it, with the weight especially, I guess. And maybe the amount of driving force. So they're single-ended right now. Maybe I should go push-pull. Usually the more output adds up more in the top than it does at the lower frequencies, and it gives it a lot of another sound. If it's not fucked up, the frequency response by the metal and the extra magnets, then it could add something. But yeah, single-ended usually looks smoother. Oh well. Anyhow, I got the course and I thought I'll wind some stuff on it according to a calculator. I did 2 different versions, but I don't even have a ribbon yet. But I could not help myself. Still thinking about what I'm gonna do. I definitely either it's gonna be woofer, not this woofer, not any kind of subwoofer, just a normal driver with a very long of this thing kind of thing, or ribbon, or go full planar, because I still think, especially in my room, because the room note is 49 or 50 Hertz, any open baffle planar magnetic sounds better in the low end than the woofers normally in my room. And maybe overall, maybe not as much bass, but more pleasant. See you later. This is a video without any building and without any useful information. As I do too often lately. Sorry for that, but I'm pretty busy with work and I'm also kind of tired somehow. And I cannot make my mind up of what I want to build. I make drawings almost every day and then decide against it. So, but see you soon.